Russia has taken a new step in expanding its production capabilities for the new generation Su-57 Felon fighter jet, with the construction of new facilities at the Komsomolsk-on-Amur Aviation Plant, KnAAZ. The inauguration of these new facilities coincides with the 90th anniversary of the plant. The newly launched facilities include a dedicated building for testing the aircraft's fuel system and the completion of the first phase of a hangar designed for the testing and integration of onboard radio-electronic equipment. These developments are key to scaling up the serial production of the Su-57, which is central to Russia's future air combat capabilities. Modernizing and expanding the production capabilities of the Komsomolsk-on-Amur plant is part of a multi-year investment program involving significant state funding and the corporation's own resources, said Yuri Slyasar, head of the United Aircraft Corporation, UAC. This initiative has resulted in the creation of a cutting-edge, large-scale, high-tech production facility for the manufacture of the most advanced aviation systems. The expansion of the Su-57 production line is set to continue, with plans to introduce additional facilities, including a hangar for system testing and ground trials of the Su-57. The strategic goal is to expedite the integration of this new facility, as the next phase will involve the reconstruction of an existing hangar used for aircraft systems testing. Our objective is to bring this facility online as quickly as possible, said Alexander Pekarsh, director of the UAC branch at KnAAZ named after Yuri Gagarin. The expansion of the plant's capacities will also include the construction of a third phase of galvanic production, supported by state investment, along with a major reconstruction of other facilities. Pekarsh emphasized that the new industrial capabilities in Komsomolsk-on-Amur will enhance the efficiency and technological sophistication of producing the Su-57, ensuring that the plant can meet the demands of the Russian Ministry of Defense. The Su-57, Russia's premier fifth-generation fighter, is designed to compete with the most advanced aircraft globally. Its development has been a cornerstone of Russia's efforts to maintain its edge in military aviation. The aircraft features advanced stealth technology, supermaneuverability, and a comprehensive suite of onboard systems designed for air superiority and precision strikes. With the expansion of production capabilities at KnAAZ, Russia is poised to increase the output of Su-57 fighters.